Hey guys, it's me again. I'm just telling you, today my spin blew away. I mean, really spoiled. My brother's just riding his bike. And I'm just being weird. Stuffing my mouth with KFC chips. I ordered KFC for dinner. When I'm on YouTube, my favourite thing to watch is like Bunny, also known as Graveyard Girl. It's really amazing. And yeah, pretty much. Zippy zippy. Zippy zippy. I got a heartburn.
They're growing. They look like tadpole eggs.
Blah blah blah. Those are my eggs.
They're not tadpole eggs. No, they're not. The white one doesn't look like an egg. It looks like a piece of white poo.
I'm on YouTube here.
So who cares? Pictures. Oh yeah.
Excuse my little brother. Orbeez! The most
I'm not
fun.
your brother, I'm your son.
Oh yeah. Orbeez. The most amazing toy.
I have all these.
No! My Orbeez!
Haha.
Help me, or you won't be my son.
Okay.
Pick up my Orbeez.
There. Done.
There's still more. Portis? Portis is on my contacts, but it's actually pronounced Portia. Bye bye. I'm getting stalked.
Pushy, pushy.